So you want to learn how to transfer your single-player Hytale server into a multiplayer server. We're going to show you exactly how to do that when using a host like Pine Hosting. And the first thing you need to do is actually confirm that your server is offline. So to do that, let's head over to your console tab, and then if your server is online, just click on the stop button here in the right corner. Then once you've done that, head over to your files tab. Here you will see a bunch of files. The only files that we're really interested in is the universe folder and the mods folder. What you will need to do here is actually go ahead and click on these three dots here on the corner and click on rename. We're gonna rename your universe folder as we're gonna be uploading our own new one. So in that case, the server will need to use the one that you're gonna be uploading. So you can just change the name to whatever you wish. We're just gonna do universe old and click on rename here. So the server will no longer use this folder for your server when it boots. But now we're gonna need to upload the single player files themselves. In order to do that, you're gonna need to click on the Windows key on your keyboard. And then just right click on the Windows icon and then click on Run. This command line will open here, and what you'll need to enter is exactly this command right here, which we will also link in the description below so you can quickly copy paste that in. And then once you've pasted that in, click on OK. This will open the save files that you have currently on your PC. All you'll need to do is basically find the world that you want to transfer. Let's say we go with world 3. If we click on it, you will see that there is a universe and a mods folder. We will only need the universe folder. Now, if your universe folder is relatively small, you could try and directly drag it into the container here, but it may take too long to upload or maybe too big. So just be careful with that. What we're gonna do alternatively is actually transfer these files using SFTP, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that right now. So let's just minimize that for a bit, and then we're gonna head back to our panel and click on the settings. As you can see here, you have a launch SFTP button. What this will do is basically, if you have any FTP client on your PC already installed, it would directly connect the server to your FTP client. If you don't have an FTP client on your PC already installed, don't worry, we have another video showing exactly how to do that and how to install one. I'll just link it in the description below. So let's go ahead and click on this button right here now. As you can see, it already has connected to the server. The only thing that is required is that you enter your password, and the password is the same password that you use to connect to your panel. So just paste that in once you have it, and then click OK. And as you can see here on the side, you can see all your server files available, even the new world we renamed earlier. So the next step is to transfer the actual files in the server. So to do that, we're gonna just click back onto our saves here. And what we're gonna do is just drag in the universe folder into our server. Give that some time to transfer every file. Now that the upload is finished, you can see here that the new universe folder has been uploaded to our server root. And this folder is basically what will be used by the server when we launch it the next time. If you are using any mods on your single player server, you will also need to transfer those. To do that, you will need to head back over to the world save and then click on this mods folder above the universe folder. We don't have any mods on this current server that we're transferring, but if you do have any mods you were using, they will all be listed here along with the jar files. What you'll basically need to do is basically select and copy all of these and then head back over to your SFTP client and then click in the mods folder and then right click and paste from clipboard. And then all your mods will be into the server. Now that we have transferred all of our files, we can head back over to our console and start our server once again. And just like that, you have transferred your single player Hytale server into Pine Hosting. If you need any further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. We're always happy to help.